Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make and install operating system Toshiba satellite laptop. This is one my USB bootable pen drive is multi-bootable. We can install lots of operating system. Okay, after on press BIOS key F12. Okay, whenever we pressing BIOS key, okay, directly is going is the bootable media or bootable. Check which is bootable media because this laptop is BIOS date and time is not set. It's a CMOS problem. This one is showing error. After your BIOS and time sent, we have to go inside a BIOS, make a disable secure boot. If you not make a disable means your Windows is not going to be installed. We make a disable. Okay, then after press again F12 because BIOS option is still not coming. F12. Whenever press F12, is directly is going BIOS option or bootable option, otherwise going to be different error. Now it's showing no bootable media. That means our right side USB port is having a problem. We change it. This one is a different port. Now you can check the USB BIOS mode. Bootable pen drive is showing. Then after we select the USB, is going to lots of operating system is there. We wanted to install Windows 10, Windows 11. Okay, select Windows 11, press enter. Automatically is going to be started. Okay, now this area I want to explain is the two things. Whenever it's showing a no bootable media, there are three kind of errors behind is going on. One, hard disk is not working properly. Second, your USB is not proper bootable pen drive. Other one, whenever you are connecting your USB, this one is connecting SSD port. That means high speed USB 3 port. If you connect USB 3 port, also it's not showing. You have to change the USB to. Okay, after selected everything is going to be normal. Select I agree Windows, install customize. We wanted to delete all drive, make a one drive. After operating system install complete means we can make it again, shrink drive. Okay, this one everything is finished. We wanted to make a fresh operating system because this laptop before it's one of my friends, he using a normal SSD. This time we change it his hard disk as SSD to SSD. This is the reason we wanted to make a only one drive. Operating system belongs to only SSD and other we can connect another hard disk. This is a normal hard drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, anything data related. Okay, other all copy is this time is copy is going on from pen drive to your PC or your laptop. After complete, so showing your PCs get ready. Installing updated. This platform, it's easy. All Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11. This is all operating system are the same way they are copying data and installing process. After installing complete, it's going to be a black screen. Then after try to install properly, it's showing this one starting your services or get ready your PC. Showing same level, getting your PC, get devices ready, getting ready. That means your operating system is finished installation. You can remove your pen drive now. Okay, just a moment. After that, it's showing your screen. Yes, your Windows. The wallpaper. Oh, this time you needed to be selected Windows 11 time. Then showing you have to be install your region, language. If you needed to multiple language, you can add it. Okay, yes. Escape. After finish, we don't want to be connect. This time also having a two type of issue. If you connecting your Wi-Fi means that time they asking you your username and password. That one also they want to ask you your email address. When you are connecting email address, this one is going to be online user account. If you connecting user account online means you can't make a new user. You can't lots of things you can do. This is the reason I prepare to manually add it. That means don't connect internet whenever you try to install fresh operating system. After that, if you install, if you wanted to be create a new user, means we can create easily, it's not coming any issue. Okay, then after installation complete, you can connect LAN cable or internet Wi-Fi, upgrade it. This is simple. Okay, this platform we can show our default all icons. This is the desktop, network, control panel, and recycle bins. Okay, this is the finish. Thank you very much for watching this video.